Okay, I'm so happy people are online. So, hi YouTube, I am playing a scary version of Gorilla Tag. And every time I post a YouTube video of this game, I will go into mountains. The only map that I can trust. Let's hope. Yes! Guys, I have not played this game in probably like a couple months. Bro, I have not played this game in a couple months. I only wanted to come back because I'm making a YouTube video.
Yeah. Well, I had the official Gorilla Tag and then that deleted. But
well,
I have the real Gorilla Tag Horde, but it's not working because it's not working.
Yeah, the first person.
So yeah,
This guy
viewers,
needs
this
to
is
leave.
me right
This
here.
guy
Let's
needs
take
to
her.
leave. Then
I saw a guy flying.
This thing.
There's no fucking mod somewhere.
Okay, I'm moving.
Where's the fucking mod? Bro, nothing's there.
Guys, who wants me to go risk my life and go grab the monster? Who dares me to go risk my life?
Bro, the monsters are frozen. You can try to go grab it.
That guy up to live to leave.
The only thing that's gonna even help is the monster right now. I know how to now. The monster's working now.
Bro, I am so scared. I have not played this game in a while.
Pretty easy.
Oh, the monster's coming! The monster's coming!
Oh, it's gone.
Viewers, monsters right there! Viewers, monsters right there!
There was never no martyr. There was never a martyr.
Oh, I hit it.
Viewers, I am not trying to be chased.
I did.
Oh, bye! He died! No, he died! Womp womp. Womp womp womp. Womp womp womp. Green, you're dead. You're dead, Green.
Why are you still chasing me? Keep that thing away from me.
Okay. I guess the monster popped behind me. I cannot edit, so I cannot cut this out. So it's going to take me a little bit to get back. If this doesn't work, then I'm probably going to go play Among Us VR. Because a lot of the times it glitches out after you try to join back after being killed.
Anybody want to do the bathrooms? That's what I thought.
I'm not doing the bathrooms. I'll never do the bathrooms in my life.
Nobody wants to play
Bathrooms.
Oh yeah, viewers, I'm also trusted in this game. You know what? I'm gonna go show you what the trusted user room is. So once you get trusted user times right here, you will go up to 3rd floor. And sadly, you do not get shiny rocks, no matter what, until they fix the glitch. But this is what you get if you're trusted. This room. It's just a thing you can't buy, a golden pineapple and another clicker that does not give you anything. Just another clicker. I don't think they fixed the glitch yet, so I'm gonna go see. Yeah, they did not fix the glitch.
I used to do the back rooms.
No, I am making a YouTube video about mountains. No.
Yeah, it's supposed to, yeah.
Making a YouTube video
Whoa,
about mountains.
Mr. Blackie, move!
Ooh.
Yeah, viewers, that's the monster. Yeah, viewers, that's the monster right there.
Alright, my What's my name? What's my name? Hey, what's my name?
Hey, get away from me! Get away from me!
Come and get it. I gave you a cupcake. Come and get it.
Bye! Bye!
Oh, shit! I'm lagging.
Where are you going? me. My stalker's right there.
What's going on? I'm lagging.
My stalker's right there. Nice.
Yo, he's after someone.
Right there. Yeah, my stalker's right there. He's right there near the ball.
Oh yeah, guys, if you don't know what this
touch my
game's called,
stalker.
it's called
Right.
Scary Baboon. Or not Scary Baboon.
Scary
Scary Monkey Horror.
No, he's gonna chase you now.
No one likes you. Hello.
Wait, is
When
it
he
Scary
sings,
Monkey
I
Horror? I
just got
forgot
my
the name.
stalker
Yeah, it's Scary
back.
Monkey Horror. And I'm gonna show you 2 glitches I found in the game.
Wait.
So right here, you
Guys, I
hit
can see
one of those
person.
really hard,
I can see
it's going to
person.
make you go flying. Also, if you have your hand glitched right here,
Someone over there.
keep it there for a couple seconds, you should be launched. Like this.
What's going on?
Did you know I'm making a YouTube video right now?
To the server.
Yeah.
You're buns, kid. You're buns. You're buns.
Shut up.
Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it.
What did you
I'm not going to go get that thing. I haven't played this game in probably a couple months. My name might be Risk Taker, but it should be the opposite, not Risk Taker. Oh yeah, guys, the glitch that makes you go flying, it does not work with the big ramp right here.
I did the glitch.
It can work at the top one, but it's recommended for this one right here. Like, yeah, watch yellow. Yeah, watch yellow.
I
do it.
just did the glitch.
Viewers, watch yellow do it.
Glitch. I did the glitch.
Yeah, no, I'm making a YouTube video. I'm showing the viewers on how to do it.
I'll go.
Whee! Hello, Black, I'm back.
Oh
Or
my
bluish
god.
black
Fuck
thing.
yeah, the hoes are down there. Alright, he's cooked. He's cooked. We gotta go.
We're cooked.
Oh god, he's already coming!
Oh, you run! We're cooked. We're cooked, boys. We're cooked.
Viewers!
We're cooked.
It's chasing us, viewers!
We're cooked.
You monkey!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yo, he's up there. He's up there.
My fingers before the video. I killed them. Let's see what happens back there. Oh! You're dead! How are you not dead? Oh, you're dead. Oh yeah, he died. He's running! Guys! Guys! He's over there! He's over there! We're safe! Wait, I have collision on you! I have collision on you, Tim! I have collision on you! Ugh! I'm not going over there. I have collision on you too, Frogger. I have collision on you. I'm sitting on you. My volume's too low.
Yo, boys! Who's David
I'm risking it for the
formerly
team.
known
as
Oh,
Banana.
I'm not risking it. I'm not risking it. Run.
You know.
Faster than us? Yes, it is
He did! No! Guys, he was eaten!
Yeah, run back. What the?
No, a guy was eaten! Green! Tim! No! No, don't you dare do it, Tim. No, or whatever your name is.
I'm doing a bad decision that I don't want to do, but I'm doing it right.
Hey. Oh no, he's walking towards us! He's walking towards us!
Bro, I swear to God. Bro, I swear to God.
Save me, yellow. RIP, yellow, if you die.
We have not won,
No,
guys.
go. Go, boys, go. We're gonna die.
Okay, my almost got me killed.
Oh my God.
Nothing.
He mad. You guys, he's
If any of
mad.
us moves, we're dead. If any one of us goes down there, you're dead.
Pokemon.
I do remember the last time I played this game, the three of them were chasing me. So, yeah, guys, if you would like me to put any of my my recorded videos of this game before I became a YouTuber,
He died.
comment down below.
Green
in the comment
died.
box.
Watch out, watch
I'll
out.
show you.
Oh my God. I put in the whole show with this.
Oh, I think
Hi, guys.
it thinks it can grab me. Hey, Black, do you want to go to the top of the? Oh, never mind.
Yeah, you all
Come on, just run.
Man, we all love making stupid decisions, huh? No, bro, dumbasses.
Oh, frick! They tried to grab me. Viewers, did you see that? They tried to grab me. I'm so sorry for keep calling y'all viewers. I'm just so excited that I'm a YouTuber now.
We're not going to the skeletons.
I
He wanna
thought I
die,
would start
bro.
YouTube when I
Don't
turned
play the
12,
game.
but then I decided to turn it earlier.
Are you kidding?
Well, yeah, in a couple of months I will be 12, so.
Hey, yo, are you rizzing me? No, Philip again.
Oh my god, my game's glitching.
Yeah,
'cause
baby,
you are
toilet.
touching me. My game's glitching because you're touching me. Stop touching me.
There's no one up here. We're good.
Yeah, come on, go
Yeah,
to the
no.
top of the pirate
I
ship.
can't do this one. This one. Like,
I'm too scared. Black, you go first. Guys, I don't want you to knock me off and kill me.
Guys,
You already killed a minute ago. Come on, everybody, to the top of the pirate ship.
execution area where we drop them down and feed them to the monster.
alright, boys. We're start to get on the bus. Come on.
Whoa, what the fuck?
Nah, I'm fine.
Yeah, I want to go to the
I wanna
top.
go up.
Let's go to the cockpit. No.
Yeah, go chill out in the piercings. Piercing. I don't know why it's called piercing up here. There's a skull. There's a gigantic poopy face skull. Yeah, shall we go back, guys?
I mean, you heard me scream for help, bro.
Wait, I can get on you. I can,
Guys,
wait, I can get on you. I can get on you.
let's head over here.
Yeah,
Let's head
because
over
some
here.
people you can have collision on. Look, I have collision on you.
I can get on you.
Hey,
I'm
get
on
off of
you
me!
right now.
I want to sit on
Hey,
you.
I'm gonna get on
Let me sit on you. Let me sit on you. Ugh.
How you turn on colliders? How you turn on colliders?
I don't know. It just randomly happens. It randomly happens.
I'm a dude box.
I don't have collision on you. It randomly happens on
you,
people.
dog.
Hey guys, do y'all want to go summon Lucy?
Should we go up there?
Y'all want to go summon
Dog,
Lucy?
y'all want to come here? Y'all want to come over here and go over here?
Y'all want to come summon Lucy for a YouTube video?
Should we go up there? Should we go up there? No, let's go over here, guys.
I'm on top of you now, Green.
Can you
I'm not
stop?
no civilian.
Oh yeah, viewers, to let you know, if you wonder what happened to my other two VR videos, I do have to rewatch the video each time because I'm doing it a different way. I'm doing it with DVR Quest app, so it's gonna be weird.
Oh, run!
No! He's dead! Guys, he's dead! He's
Green. I can get on you, black. I can get on you, white. I can get on you.
Viewers, it's chasing me! What is Ramsey, Sophie?
Shut up!
You see the state on you?
Shut up! Oh, hey, look, I turned my light off. You're so scary. Will you leave now?
Oh, yeah, I forgot you said yeah, guys, if you ever played this game, if you've never played, and then you download it.
It's trans old games. That means there's no plan, so I can't get
Right.
up. Oh, I think you dots.
Oh, Yellow's dead. Banana!
Yo.
Banana! Shoot yourself.
Please. Oh my lord! What the juke?
Should we go over the check?
Oh, put blue and down.
Please. Oh, blue went down with it.
monkey. Blue went down. Oh no.
Blue.
We need to save him.
I don't think we do it. You need to save him. I can see.
Viewers! Viewers!
Really need to save him. Oh, guys, I see the light. He's right there.
Viewers!
Two of them.
Viewers, I don't want to die. And if I die, I'm gonna cry.
There's three.
Oh!
Oh, he's coming this way! Yo, just doing it even better. I'm turning my flashlight off.
Again, the same finger that I bruised first VR episode.
Oh, he's right there! He's right there! Guys, that was actually fun. We should try that again.
Oh my god.
Wait, guys. Oh, wait, guys, we should go on a private
Woo!
road.
This is going on YouTube. Stop!
Wait, guys.
Nah. That actually scared me, bro. Did you see him? Wait, guys, if we lure him into ice, he can. They're really bad at ice, so if we can lure them into ice, we can get them. Okay, guys, we have to study these monsters. I'm serious.
Sorry, guys. Get out, guys.
Sorry,
Okay.
very bad.
Get out of me.
He's out 90.
Did you watch that, viewers? Did you see that? It's on the slide. Oh, just killed him.
Oh, where is the monster?
Dude, is it like friend on Oculus?
Oh, frick, viewers, I'm dead. Viewers, I'm dead. Y'all not gonna care for me? Viewers, are y'all not gonna care for me?
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Get out!
Shut up! Shut up!
You need to leave.
Shut up!
Guys, I killed someone. Yeah, go back to your break. Go to your break.
You heard that, viewers?
Guys, I know, I
Did
know,
you
I
hear
know.
that?
Alright, guys, what if I go this way? What if I go this way? Wait, Gojo, we have to study these monsters. Let's go that way. We have to study these monsters, and if we want to
Banana, you're dead!
Yeah, look,
You're dead,
look,
Banana!
Their weakness is the ice, because then they'll slide down. They're kind of like
Banana,
normal monkeys.
EXE.
Yeah, see? That's their weakness.
Yeah, that's what.
So as long as we're on ice, we're good.
Wait, what?
Yeah, their weakness is ice, because they don't know how to control themselves on ice. So as long as we're on ice, we're practically safe.
What do you mean their weakness is ice? I saw one eating the ice a couple like months ago. The last time I played, I saw them eating the ice. Look, see? That one's trying to eat the ice. Bro, stop. This is gonna be the world's most inappropriate video, and I'm gonna be taken down. Stop it.
Looks like it was a mistake coming here, but
Looks like this is clown school.
Bro,
hey,
you,
relax,
you know what?
Baker.
You know what Blue was
one who
doing to
died
me?
at the
Blue was
slide.
doing this. This Blue right here.
It's nice,
This
it's nice
cyan.
to see you guys.
Cyan.
It's nice to see y'all.
Oh,
I can
Dab me up!
How dare you get my name
someone
wrong?
dab me
It's
up, for
Zero,
real?
you stupid.
Like I just came back from the dead. Like, can you dab me up? Run!
Viewers, can you see his face? You're dead. You're dead. Guys, I almost died, but this is the end of the video. See you later.